Members of Sonia Gandhi's National Advisory Council have written to Rural Development Minister Jairam Ramesh demanding a hike in MNREGA wages. But the Minister for Rural Development told NDTV, in fact, the Minister earlier seemed to be in favour of the idea, but now to NDTV he says no comment.
As the government's flagship job guarantee scheme completes 6 years, there's a demand for a hike in wages. Aruna Roy and Nikhil De, members of the National Advisory Council, have written to the Rural Development Minister, asking the government to hike the wages to the basic minimum wage in states. They want the government to implement the Karnataka High Court order that says the wages cannot be lower than the minimum state wages. They say wages paid under the scheme last year in some areas of Rajasthan have been as low as 1 rupee per day.
First, a letter from the Minister of Rural Development to the Prime Minister, then a letter from the activist to the Prime Minister, and now one from the activist to the Minister of Rural Development over exactly how much should the NREGA workers be paid.
In September last year, the Karnataka High Court ordered the centre to match NREGA wages with minimum state wage. The Rural Development Ministry favoured a wage parity, but the government moved Supreme Court. Last month, the top court refused to stay the High Court order and asked the centre to find a way to end the wage disparity. That could mean an additional 900 crores this fiscal alone, as in 6 states the minimum wage is higher than what's paid under the job scheme. Activists say of the 40,000 crores budgeted this fiscal, over half the money is yet to be spent.
NREGA has 2 basic entitlements: 100 days work at minimum wages. And the government, for some strange reason, and the Prime Minister's office seems determined not to pay minimum wages and de-link NREGA wages from minimum wages. They are in fact, on their wage policy, they are clearly anti-poor and anti-labor.
सबसे बड़ी चिंता इस बात की है कि मजदूरों को वक्त पर पैसा मिल पाए. इसके लिए देश के गांव में डाकघरों और बैंकों को अपनी पहुंच बढ़ानी होगी.
The Rural Development Minister says the time has come for reforms, and some ideas by state governments and various groups will be incorporated by next month. With Achal Vora in New Delhi, Sanjukta Kar for NDTV.
NDTV's cricket app, Android and iPhone, fastest scorecard, special analysis, and much more. Download free. ndtv.com/apps.